hide and seek. Today, we'll create a fun game where our monkey friend hides all around the screen and we have to catch him to score points. Are you up for the challenge? Let's get started. First up, we need our sneaky monkey. Go ahead and choose the monkey sprite from the library or upload your own. Got it? Great! Now, let's make this monkey jump around and play hide and seek. Okay, let's start with the basics. Drag in a when green flag clicked block from the events category. This will start the game. But wait, what fun is a game without a time limit? Let's add a little pressure. Create a variable called time left in the variables category and set it to 10. This gives us 10 seconds to catch our monkey. Now, let's make that timer tick-tock. Add a repeat until block from control category with time left equals 0 from operators inside. And inside the loop, add change time left by -1 with a wait 1 second from control. Boom! We've got ourselves a countdown. Now comes the fun part, making our monkey disappear and reappear like a magician. Drag in a forever loop from the control section and place it inside the repeat until. Now, add a hide block from looks and then wait 1 second from control. But we want this monkey to pop up at random places, right? Let's make him show up at surprise locations. Add go to random position from the motion category and then show from looks. Let's test it. Hit the green flag. Whoa, look at that monkey go. But, oh, he's just jumping around and we can't click him yet. Let's fix that. Let's make it so every time we click our monkey, we score a point. Drag in a when this sprite clicked block from the events section. Inside it, add change score by 1 from variables. And let's also make the monkey disappear when clicked. Add a hide block from looks underneath. Now, whenever you click on our sneaky monkey, you earn a point and he disappears. Score 1 for me. Ha 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 ha. But wait, what if we miss the click? Let's keep the challenge going. We need to end the game when the timer runs out. So now, let's add a little dramatic flair when the game ends. A big game over message. Go to the costume section and click on paint. Use the text tool to type game over in big, bold letters. Pick a flashy color to make it stand out. Something that'll let the player know they didn't catch that monkey in time. Once you've painted your game over message, it's time to add some code to bring it to life. Let's make it appear when the timer runs out. Here's how we do it. Next, go back to the monkey's code and add a wait until time left equals 0 block from control. After the timer hits 0, we'll add a broadcast game over message using the events block. Now switch to our game over sprite and add a when I receive game over block from events followed by a show block from looks. This will make the game over message pop up right when the game ends. Look at that. Perfect timing. But wait, the game over message just stays there when we restart the game. Let's fix that. To fix this, just make sure you've got that when green flag clicked block with a hide for our game over sprite. That way, every time you start the game, the message stays hidden until time runs out. Hit the green flag and ta-da! It's gone until the time is up again. And that's it, super coders. We've made our own hide and seek game with a sneaky monkey. Now you can try catching him, but it won't be easy. Let me know your highest score in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell to stay tuned for more fun coding adventures. Happy coding and happy catching!